Aslead Institute, empowering leaders to serve others.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Aslead Institute podcast. As you've heard, we are hosting a conference, a leadership workshop in Kampala, Uganda. The workshop will happen at the Protea Hotel in Kampala City. And this leadership forum is open to every person who wants to improve on your leadership. And what better way to improve on our leadership than to embrace servant leadership? When we look at servant leadership, we see the different aspects, things like integrity, things like ethical living, things like stewardship, things like our character. Why do we do what we do? In the corporate world, we see people doing things and we wonder. Somebody leaving a jacket on the chair and going to do other businesses while there's a queue outside their office. What does that say about our character? So we are coming as Aslead Institute. Not that we are better leaders, but we are coming so that we can create a platform where each of us is able to start the transformational process. And even as we organize this leadership forum, we are opening it to every person within the East African region, because leadership in Africa needs a total overhaul. And it all begins with me. It begins with what I do. It begins with how I live my life at home, in my workplace, in the church, in the community. How am I treating my neighbors? That is the thing that we are going to be looking at. So we invite you, tell a friend to tell a friend. The link is indicated down below. When you follow it, it takes you to our website, www.asleadinstitute.org. And when you get to that website, you will see a tab indicating the Kampala Leadership Workshop. Click on that link. It will take you to the registration platform where you fill in your details. We have different forms of payment. You can pay cash, you can pay using a card, you can pay using M-Pesa for those in Kenya, you can pay through the bank. There is no limit. Everybody is welcome to this inaugural Servant Leadership Forum. And it's great that we are doing it in the Pearl of Africa. Welcome, everyone.
Hello, and I'm excited to invite you. My name is Francis Nsanga, and I will be speaking about the topic of servant leadership in the workplace. Come, be part of this very learning event, very exciting event at Protea here in Kololo, Kampala on the 26th of September 2024.
My name is Kagendo Kituto. I'm a trainer and coach, and I'm looking forward to the Aslead Leadership Workshop in Kampala, Uganda. I will be speaking on the topic, Women Embracing Servant Leadership in the Corporate Sector. Kindly check the Aslead Institute website and register for the workshop. You do not want to miss that. You will be changed, you will be transformed, and you will become the greatest leader the world has ever known. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Peter Mulinge, the founder and the president of Aslead Institute, where we make people to be servant leaders. And now we are planning this conference in Uganda, and I want to welcome you to come and listen, to come and attend, to come and be equipped. I personally will be speaking about entrenching servant leadership in the corporate world. Don't you want to change your leadership skill in your place of work? Come and be equipped with this knowledge. I'm looking forward seeing you there and having this fun together. We welcome you to this enriching conference you don't want to miss.